Today we have mullet style. My friend here asked for mullet. So we're gonna go about mid fade from the sides. He wants to keep the top longer, trim a little bit from the top, a little bit from the back. Yeah, that's all about it. Has a good thickness of hair. We'll see what's gonna happen. I will show you how you do it in the easiest way. Watch me. So first thing we start, we set the guideline. That's it. Anything else? Keep it like that. Now we'll jump using the shaver. Next step, we're using the clipper level open, and we jump only for 1 centimeter from here. So next step, open the clipper halfway and just hit this line between the 0 and the half. And then close the clipper to the end and do it again. Next one, I will use number 1.5 level open, and I will jump about 2 inches. Next one, number 1 level open, and just go before the end of the number 2. You see this guideline here? Don't touch it. Just flick the clipper out. Next one, half level open, and I will hit only this line. Once you remove this line, that's it, the fade is finished. Now to match between my fade and the top, I'm gonna use number 2.5 or 2 level open, and I will just flick the clipper this way. I didn't get my money back, man. Oh, that's a good fade. Happy?
Very.
Where's your thumbs up then? It's a nice one, mate. That's a good one.
Are y'all ready for this?
First choice barber.